What if you could travel from Shanghai to New York in just 2 hours? It might sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but the concept of hypersonic flights is fast becoming a reality. The idea of soaring above the Earth at speeds of up to Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, is no longer confined to the realm of imagination. This is the story of hypersonic flight, a revolutionary development that could redefine our understanding of distance and time. The story begins with pioneers like NASA and the European Space Agency, who have been spearheading research into hypersonic technology for decades. NASA's X-43, an unmanned experimental hypersonic aircraft, achieved a record-breaking speed of nearly Mach 9.6 in 2004, demonstrating the potential of hypersonic flight. In recent years, private companies have entered the fray, each aiming to be the first to commercialize hypersonic flight. Notably, Space Transportation, a China-based company, is developing a hypersonic spaceplane that aims to transport passengers from Shanghai to New York in just a couple of hours. With plans for a suborbital space tourism test flight in 2025 and a full-scale global hypersonic flight by 2030, the company is backed by significant Chinese investors and is looking to tap into the burgeoning market for suborbital transportation and space tourism. Meanwhile, on the other side of the globe, the United States is not standing idle. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also investing in hypersonic technology. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, has proposed the use of hypersonic flight for intercontinental travel with his Starship spacecraft. Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin is similarly ambitious, with plans for hypersonic travel as part of its vision for the future of space tourism. The potential impact of hypersonic flights is enormous. The ability to traverse the globe in a matter of hours could revolutionize international business, making it possible for executives to attend meetings in multiple continents in a single day. It could also transform tourism, opening up remote and exotic locations to a wider range of travelers. However, there are significant hurdles to overcome. Hypersonic flights require immense amounts of energy and generate extreme heat, posing challenges in terms of both fuel efficiency and materials engineering. Additionally, the high costs associated with hypersonic technology mean that initial ticket prices will likely be prohibitively expensive for most people. In summary, the development of hypersonic flights is a story of pioneering innovation and ambitious vision. From the early research of NASA and the European Space Agency to the current efforts of companies like Space Transportation, SpaceX, and Blue Origin, this is a journey that could change the way we think about travel. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the potential impact of hypersonic flights on business, tourism, and our understanding of the world is immense. As we move towards the future, the dream of traveling from Shanghai to New York in just 2 hours may soon become a reality.